Welcome back. Bollywood movie promotion of the film Prague was held in Goa. It was organized by Mandavi Entertainment Group. The movie will be released all over India on 27th September. It is a psychological thriller.
The director of movie Ashish Shulka, along with other cast of film, were present for the Bollywood movie promotion held at Inox Lobby in Panji. This is the first movie of Shulka.
हमने फिल्म बनाई है प्राग, जो रिलीज़ हो रही है 27 सितंबर को। और प्राग एक ऐसे लड़के की कहानी है जिसका नाम है चंदन, और चंदन एक आर्किटेक्ट है। चंदन प्राग एक्चुअली एक साइकोलॉजिकल थ्रिलर है। एज अ फर्स्ट टाइम फिल्म मेकर मैं आपको ये नहीं बोल सकता कि यार आपके लिए मैं कुछ ब्लास्ट करने जा रहा हूँ, ठीक है। मेरे लिए तो ऑडियंस आज की तारीख में मैं खुद जानना चाहूँगा कि मुझको किस तरह की ऑडियंस मिलती है या फिर ऑडियंस कैसे रिस्पॉन्स करती है, ठीक है। मेरे लिए तो इंडस्ट्री का अम्यूज़मेंट पार्क की तरह है और मैं एक क्यूरियस बच्चे की तरह हूँ जो कुछ कर रहा हूँ और उसका रिस्पॉन्स देखना चाहता हूँ।
Sushant Paul for Prudent.
BCCI has ordered live ban to cricketers S. Sreesanth and Ankit Chavan. The Rajasthan Royal players are found guilty in IPL spot fixing scandal. The one-man Savani panel investigated allegations wherein 3 Rajasthan Royal players professed predetermined number of runs per over in exchange for money during the IPL match. The BCCI Pro panel is being headed by the Anti-Corruption Unit Chief of the Indian Cricket Board, Ravi Savani. Following the recommendations by the panel, BCCI ordered live ban on cricketers Sreesanth and Ankit Chavan. The panel has held 4 Rajasthan Royal players including S. Sreesanth, Ajit Chandila, Ankit Chavan and Amit Singh guilty of spot fixing in the 6th edition of the Indian Premier League. Amit Singh was earlier handed 5 years ban.
Keep my fingers crossed that BCCI gives an opportunity for me to play.
After examining the report by the panel, the disciplinary committee will present the findings at the BCCI annual general meeting to be held on September 29th. Chandila, who was granted bail on August 6th for 2 days to perform the last rites of his deceased brother, has denied the charges but is yet to meet Savani. Bureau Report, Prudent. In our video of the day, have a look at the Chauvat celebrations at Sai Nath Shirodkar's residence in Merses and Dayanand Mandrekar's residence in Saligaon. Goenkars immersed 5-day Ganpati on Friday.
गणपति बाप्पा
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.